Hi, thank you for watching. This is Ken Lau. Today I will share with you what a Power Query can do. One of the things that they can do is to create a stack column. So each row is converted into a column. Now see the India X. So you can copy and transpose it to this column and stack on it. That is possible if you have several rows. What if you have 1,000 rows? 10,000s, right? A big data, then it's simply not possible. So let's see what PowerQuery can do. So we loaded this into a PowerQuery, and then we are added the index column. Let's just see how to do that from the start, right? So I'm loaded it. I click on Data tab. I choose the From Table under the Get Transform. Yes, I'll load it into the Power Editors, and then I'll look at Add Column. I'm going to add a new column called Index Column. So I'm indexing it. So each row is given an index. Correct. So from here, I'm going to use the transform, and I'll use the pivot other columns. So the other column will be this country or region, type, populations, right? And I click on this pivot column, and watch that India X and so on, right? These two column is no longer needed. I can select both of them and right click, choose remove columns, and go back, load it to a location, right? So that's it, it's done. And that is called stack column. And thanks for watching.